I'm going out for dinner, then maybe a little shopping. We're in the central neighborhood of Carlington. See ya.
Come on back. I need your help to do the marketing video for Hollington.
Okay, fine. I guess I have 2 minutes.
Not only is this a great shopping area, but it's also a super school district, and it's right behind the experimental farm.
Ooh, great bike paths over there.
I know. Let's go check it out and show others.
Okay, you're gonna wanna see this. An affordable freehold townhome in the central neighborhood of Carlington. Come check it out.